egg bunny?
Lydia, come here. Can you see an Easter egg? Come here. Do you see any Easter eggs?
I can see crinkles.
Where do you see it? Go get it. Go get it and put it in your basket. Right there. Right there. Put it in your basket. Oh, no, the Easter egg.
Grab the egg.
And put it in your basket. Yay! Oh, wait, Addie, wait. I gotta let Liddy get a few more. Or at least, see. Come here, Liddy. Do you see another Easter egg?
Yellow! Yay!
She grabbed it.
Yay!
Okay, come on, let's see. Can we find another Easter egg?
Good
She's
job.
got it. Okay, Addison, now you can look. And I want you to look high. Okay, go ahead.
There's not a lot that are high.
Okay, go ahead, Em.
Yeah. Liddy, you find your own.
Oh, kaboom. And there's more over here, too.
Mommy, look at it. I got Daddy.
Oh, you get the funny one? Hey, look at me, little children.
I found one.
Lydia,
I can see.